Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson from bloggingbizonline.com. If you haven't done already, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a thumbs up, ring that notification bell for any future videos I'll be bringing out that you'll be interested in. So today I have another free offer with a bonus. And the free offer is Twitter Traffic Secrets. It's a 6-part video course. And it's got a value of $197, but I'm giving it away free of charge today. So you can get access to this course. I'm just going to run through a little video for you, and it'll briefly explain what you're going to get.
Twitter is one of the fastest growing social media platforms. Now, the problem is, as a business owner, it can often become overwhelming what you should do on Twitter to gain high quality leads. You see, a lot of people just jump right in and start advertising their business. The result on Twitter is this: people will see you as a spammer and won't even want to get near you. In other words, you need to build authority first and relationships second. Now, you might be thinking, well, that takes a lot of time, right? It can, but with our system, you'll learn how to speed up the process, build your Twitter following, boost your authority, all without looking like a spammer. Now, here's a quick video's overview of what's inside this video course. Video number 1 is the introduction. Video number 2 will talk about what not to do. Video number 3 will talk about researching the community, researching keywords, hashtags, and all sorts of things, which will allow you to go ahead and create your game plan. Video number 4 will talk about how to go about creating your content and, of course, dispersing it. Video number 5 will talk about giveaways in general. And, of course, video number 6 will talk about a little bit of a bonus, which is an authority giveaway boost. So this type of giveaway will allow you to boost your authority. So go ahead and grab this course and start learning how to grow your Twitter social media presence.
So there you have it, Twitter Traffic Secrets. You're going to get all that, guys, for no cost to yourself. And also I'm giving away today my bonus, the Twitter Tornado, where you can build your own business around Twitter and make massive money online. It's a really good read, and combine that with the Twitter Traffic Secrets course, you'll be on your way to earning a consistent income online from Twitter, I'm sure. So to claim both of those packages, the Twitter Traffic Secrets, the video course, what we've just spoke about, and the Twitter Tornado ebook, all you have to do, folks, is click that link below in the description on YouTube, in my description, or if it's in my blog anywhere, it'll be in the description underneath my video in the blog. So for me, that's it for me today, guys. So from Blogging Biz Online, my name's Dave Johnson. I will see you soon with another video. Don't forget to ring that notification bell, subscribe to my channel, and give me a like, thumbs up, and drop me a comment in that box. Hit that notification bell, folks. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon.